The emergence of security token has revolutionized the way assets are traded, bringing efficiency, transparency, and accessibility to the market. However, the real estate security token market faces challenges. The CMTO model addresses this issue by introducing a novel approach that combines the benefits of NIS, STO, and CMTO techniques to enhance liquidity and promote investment. In real estate security token, the CMTO framework functions by allowing DAB. These token collateralized loans are pooled together. The CMTO represent a diversified portfolio of token collateralized loans, providing investors with options based on their financial goals and risk preferences. By implementing CMTO, the real estate security token market can overcome liquidity challenges, attract a broader range of investors,